Ang dami kong linoto pang ano, pang isang baryo. Tatlong araw na kainan ito. So, parang masarap lagi makikain sa inyo, Sis Lori. Ang dami lagi niluluto. Yes, Sis Ate Marge, shout out. Sis Shanti, A to Z, shout out. Pwede na yan. Okay, maglagay ulit tayo ng pepper. Masarap pag maraming ano. Tema buhay. Hello, Ate Marge, Sis Pom. Okay, one more time. I want to say thank you everyone. Ate Bagtit na Marites na Tuyot Mabuhay Vlog. Magandang gabi. Thank you everyone. And shout out Sis Shanti, Ate Marge, Sis Tani, Kuya Eris, Sis China, Sis Mabuhay, Sis Steffi, Kuya Joem, Sis Mitch, Nature Mix Vlog, shout out, Kuya Butch, Machete Bots, Kapsat Tony, thank you. Anupam Mishra from India, thank you so much. Ading Kelly, Sis Katya or Bebang, Sis Jade, Marikoy Born Free, Inang Bagtit, Sis Pom, thank you so much. Sis Shalini, Mami G, Sis Grace, Master JR, at saka si Sis Rika. Shout out! So, sino pa bang nakalimutan ko dyan? Thank you so much, Anupam Mishra. Ayan. Looking very tasty. Thank you so much. Dalawang order po.